Tobin at Virtual Storefronts, and this is Technology Without the Work in 60 seconds. What we're looking at today is Uniques of Murphy, which is truly a unique store that is focused on Native Americans. It's run by Martha Brown. So we see in the Uniques, they just launched this storefront, and these are the keywords that we have created for Uniques. Now, these keywords are being fed into Google so that Martha didn't have to do anything. We completely created this. We keyworded her business. She bought one for $1.90. She just went to this one form here, purchased one for $1.99. We did the work. She approved it. We published this. It goes out into the internet, and now Google can index it so that people can find the things at this store that they want online. And you see that it's not just keywords, but it's also a place for people to, there's a lot of keywords at this business. There's a place for people to see photos of their products and get a sense of the store before they go in. That's Virtual Storefronts. That's technology without the work.